Mutumia wakwa ni Mukuhiiiii. Anginyite haha Uguo. Haha. Yeah. You are tall. You are tall, my nyanya. Stop blushing. Yeah. I've never seen that. Yeah. Yeah. Mutumia wakwa ni Mukuhiiiii. Anginyite haha Uguo. Haha. Yeah. Birthday yake irakinyire. Ndiramugurira karatu. Number 41. Na nijekiraga number 39. Yeah, I am talking about that number in case you feel like surprising the chairman during the birthday. Yeah, you can. Yeah, on September, definitely. Yeah. No we serious no surprise chairman na kirato kiega. Yeah. Yeah. This goes to the treasurer. You are the one who keep the money. No, rutato ni twakanitha. Ure chairman kiratu kingi. Timutire mukiwa gambuti icio ne jongi. Who asked you? Who asked you, Gamini? Who asked you? Stupid. I've never seen that. Yeah. So this is my nyar. Stand up. Yeah. Ocio no odugagira. Nikyo mukuona uria ngugema. Ngagia riri. Muona ngemete uguo. Ti mbeca cia hiki. Guoko kwa Ngai, through this wife, through this nyanyar, through this. Rufaru rwakwa rukirutwo nga. The beauty. The beauty. The romantic man, the beautiful wife. Nikyo onaga andu angi manyona handu. Ni uri mundu, and they definitely know I have someone. Patricia. Patricia Kenya Jui. Yeah. The word of the Lord. Ladies and gentlemen, I am not happy. I have been trying to convey this message over and over again. Reason? Sipora. Sipora no aregire kuhika fiu na ni kurega riu. Ni tukinyite handu tukamutwara nginya kundu gwitagwo Wema Wellness kwa ndagitari Kamotho. Atarwo erwo ungikinyia miaka 35 utahikite, you are on the wrong side. Unless you want to be a celibate, you want to live a celibacy. No, you want to be in a celibate life. You, whatever the case. Celi. Na bururi uyu uthukite haria tukinyite. It is either you are single or you have a girlfriend or a boyfriend, whatever the case. And the word of God says, sexual immorality is the only sin that affects the body. Na waikara uguo, riu ni ureguciriria. Ukeguciriria uguo. Kwiguciriria uguo. Ni kwaga kuhika. Yeah. Ndagitari Kamotho akageri gugutara. No. I've never seen that. Na negwalia na Mr. Masharia wa kuria Kombo Munyiri wa Amazing Suppliers. Ndemwire, Mr. Masharia, you need to help Sipora na aria kione wira. You are single, jobless, sitting there. Mutinde hau mukihua mwaki na maitu guo. Mucene. Ni gutire mukiuga uria chairman atethambaga. You want to wash me? Stupid. I've never seen that. You cannot worship. It is only the thing that is inside you. Worship. You cannot worship. You want to wash the chairman. I've never seen that. Yeah. Think. Kana Gamini uhikie Sipora mutumia waku wa gatatu. I've never seen that.